Here I'll show you my trolling motor modification to the 3 Waters Big Fish 120. I've added a 30-pound thrust Minn Kota C2 Endura trolling motor. Basically, I cut the shaft and ran it through the sonar pod. I did this by using some ABS plastic and some rubber matting material that I cut into a gasket, and I use it on both sides, the in and the out, and I basically drilled 4 holes, bolted everything together, and epoxied it. I used a clamp on the outside bottom to kind of hold that shaft in the position I wanted while the epoxy was drying. And this sonar pod is watertight and still usable. Here I'm kind of just showing the control box. Inside there's a PWM board and the wiring for a DC fan, forward reverse switch, and a potentiometer. Forgive me for the audio glitch. I had an issue with my GoPro audio, so I have to do this after the fact. But hopefully this will give you all a bit of insight as to how I accomplished the trolling motor, the stealth trolling motor. Here's the connector. This is what I use to connect everything to the battery box. I have one cable connector for the control board and one cable connector going to the trolling motor itself. Everything just plugs up to the battery box for quick and easy removal and stow and go. In this particular video, I'm camping in Pine Bluff, North Carolina at Cardinal Park. Wonderful place, so if you're in the area, check it out. Here you'll see a 50-watt Renogy solar panel. And this is how I keep the battery charged. It works wonderfully. I normally try to run at about 75%, but a lot of times as of late I've ran wide open and the battery still maintains a full charge. So I'm able to be out all day with this solar panel. Here is a bad attempt at me attempting to show you the electrical and the wiring. So you'll see the battery, the solar controller, and the various relays I used. Hope this video helps someone. Thanks for watching.